Hello everybody, it's Aditya here. Welcome to Tech. Today is May 27 and let's get into today's video. Here we go. Now friends, let's see our first news. Windows 6 generation update coming very soon to be most significant in a decade. CEO Satya Nadella says. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella says it will be one of the most significant update to Windows of the past decade. WhatsApp says government exceeded powers with encryption breaking rule. WhatsApp's court filing shows it has taken a firmer stance against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administration. Government response to WhatsApp says respect rights to privacy, but it is subject to reasonable restrictions. The Ministry of Information Technology takes a dig at WhatsApp while giving clarification on its new regulations. Amazon snap up James Bond owner MGM for $8.45 billion as streaming war heats up. Amazon's Prime Video faces a long list of competition including Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO Max and Apple TV Plus. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos to hand over reins to successor Andy Jassy on July 5. Jeff Bezos will take the role of executive chair. Facebook to take action against user repeatedly sharing misinformation. Facebook will reduce the distribution of all posts in its news feed from such user accounts. PayPal to allow users to withdraw cryptocurrency to third-party wallets. PayPal opened in platform to digital currencies last October. Chrome 91 rolling out with Frozen Tabs Group, enhanced PWAs, redesigned UI and more. Chrome 91 update brings improvement to its mobile and desktop browsers. USB Type-C 2.0 to upgrade power delivery from 100 watts to 240 watts. The USB Type-C update could do away with barrel jacks and become mainstream in the gaming laptop market. Ford says 40% of sale to be electric vehicle by 2030. Ford said it will increase investment in electric vehicles, components and infrastructure by 2025. Twitter says concerned about safety of India staff after police visit. Twitter said it has concern with regards to the use of intimidation tactics by the police a day after its office was visited by Delhi police. PS5 India pre-order restock sold out in minutes, if not seconds. Pre-order opened at 12 pm and were gone before 12:10 pm. Google CEO Sundar Pichai on new social media rules, committed to comply with local laws, work constructively. Pichai added that a free and open internet is foundational and that India has a long tradition of that. Google adds a new button to directly save images from Gmail to Google Photos. Gmail Save to Photo feature will work only for JPG format as of now. Lockheed Martin and General Motors join hands to develop rover for NASA's Artemis mission to Moon. The Moon rover's self-driving system will enable the vehicle to operate with or without humans on board. Cryptocurrency price turned choppy as bounce momentum ebbs. Bitcoin dropped 4% in Asia and the next biggest crypto token, Ether, was down 7.5%. Xiaomi feels market gap left by Huawei as revenue surges 55% in Q1 2021. Xiaomi fills market gap left by Huawei as revenue surges 55% in Q1. Redmi Book Pro 14, Redmi Book Pro 15 laptop get Ryzen edition versions. Redmi Book Pro 14 Ryzen edition price starts at CNY 4499, which is roughly around 51,200 in India, while Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen edition begins at CNY 4999, which is roughly around 56,900 in India. Dell launches new laptops and desktop in Latitude, Precision, and Optipex range in India. Dell Latitude 7320 data cable price in India starts at rupees 85,000. Lenovo writes work from home demands to post 5-12% Q4 profit growth. Lenovo's profit for the quarter ended May 31 jumped to $260 million, which is roughly around 1890 crores. That's it, friends. We reached the end of the video. I hope you guys got the technological news. And soon the making video of this one will be on YouTube. You can view that soon. Okay, let's see in the next video. Until then, thank you guys.